Congratulations on finishing lesson 3 of the beginner level. This video is a test for lesson 3. There are 5 questions. Read and answer carefully. For each question, you have 5 seconds to think and answer. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a question. Which one is correct? Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is B, because we have D at the end. For A, we don't have a D, so it's wrong. And for C, we must use to before meet. The correct answer is A, nice to meet you. B is wrong because we don't have to, and C is wrong because we can't have to and meeting together. The correct answer is A because, remember, it's always sounds, never sound. Which one is more polite? The correct answer is C because it's more complete. B is also polite, but C is more polite. And our last question, which one is correct to use with a friend? The correct answer is A. B is wrong because you never say hello to your friend, and C is wrong because we don't call our friends by their surname. Well done! You are done with this test. If you answered correctly, congratulations. And if not, it's okay. Don't worry. You can always practice more. Talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye!